In this video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger rooms not working. Welcome to this new video, everyone. Now I'll be talking about the Facebook rooms that was available previously within Messenger that now has been permanently discontinued by Meta. The only thing that is available now is the group video calls or the Messenger communities. So if you're having issues on one of these options or one of these platforms, then what you can try out is try to clear the cache of the application. So what you simply need to do is tap and hold the app of Messenger, head over to this eye icon. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to offload your application. Once in settings, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once this step is complete, try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, then what you can also try out is try to uninstall Messenger from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will be fixed, and any issue that you might be having with the Messenger video call or communities should be now fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.